What is up, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of my 350 build. Our salvage 350 is right here. It's got a lot of rainwater in it, and it is not turning. Check out our first video. I'm gonna put it right up in, I think it's this corner. Maybe this. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's this corner. Yeah. So check out that first video if you want to see us picking it up. Now we're trying to pull the heads off and look inside this thing and see why it is seized. Or I don't want to use that word. It scares me a little bit, but not turning. Alright, so we just got all the head bolts and exhaust manifolds off. You can see the exhaust manifolds are completely out now. All the head bolts are off except we left one so it doesn't fall off. Now we're going to take it off. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. Look at that soup. That's just like super tasty. There you go. Nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Now we're gonna stretch the bolt.
Damn, this thing's pretty seized.
Just glad the bolt.
Yeah, so we got the whole squad here today. Right now we're gonna try and get the oil pan off, take the crank out, and beat the pistons out, so we can see how bad the cylinders are.
Yeah, because the thing's, it's a little seized right now, but don't worry about it. Marcus had it in a bath of WD-40, so hopefully she got a little loose and isn't as tight anymore. And
It's all this
yeah, we'll get it going.
Take it easy, that's my engine.
I'll get it free and then we'll be like, watch this dude, I'll get this off one hit.
You should just lift it off,
This is not getting edited up. Michael's plan.
Michael is a scam artist. Right?
Michael exposed.
Fuck out of here. It's like, it's stuck on this bracket.
Just yank it.
Yank it, daddy. What the fuck, dude?
Myth, why would you say that?
Why don't we just pry it off? Get it fired.
What's this?
What are you using this bitch knife?
Chisel something.
If it's not fitting. Oh.
Oh, it smells great too. Smells super good.
No one look at it.
Don't look at it.
We'll cut that out, right?
Yo, Michael. Ozzy, lick it.
1 in 1,000.
3, 2, 1, 350. Oh.
Those numbers were close. They were closer than Michael would have liked. We got the pan off, everything out of the way. We popped 2 of the bearing cap bolts, and now we're gonna try and pull out some pistons.
Come here.
Numero 3.
Hey,
Oh no.
is it looking?
Oh, that's
Dude, look.
fuck.
Here, take this, get it out of here.
What did somebody do to this thing?
Let's not look at it anymore.
This poor engine. Look at that bearing. Look at that score
It's
mark.
things we need to keep in order. Are
Yeah.
you gonna keep organizing that
It's like
box?
somebody was figure skating on it.
Someone send this thing to 10k RPM, 100%.
Oh. I wish you were over here holding this. We could best faces on film.
Dude, your face is
I'm
there,
actually denting the shit out of this.
Don't worry about it. We have programs at work. God. You've already full it. Just take a whacker.
Oh!
Oh, it moved there.
Yeah.
Babe Ruth!
Fucking hit her! Oh,
Dude, he's gonna hit
Whale.
and it's gonna go straight through the bat.
homemade crank point.
Let's go!
Dude, that was sick. Wood burn, it's fun.
Well, she spins now.
We really gotta cut that part out.
No,
Or
it's
else we-
just sucking the bearing in.
or else we may get-
Someone's free. Needle nose.
We
Needle
may
nose.
get castrated in the car community for doing stuff like this.
Now it's against us.
Yeah.
Everyone's just gathered around.
Can we slide it forward and all?
There.
Yeah.
No, it's just fucking.
Hang on.
Yeah, see if it turns now.
We very gently removed the pistons and the crank and the cam as well. Alright guys, so that wraps up the second video of the 350 engine build. If you enjoyed that, guys, hit like, drop a comment on what you want to see us do with this engine. It's still kind of up in the air what we're going to put in it. Cam, heads, intake, carb. We could go EFI. There's plenty of things to do to this. Drop a comment what you want to see, and click subscribe if you want to keep up to date with the videos and with the progress of the build. And we will catch you guys in the next one.